This video is going to show you how you can easily create engaging and professional YouTube video scripts using Canva. So Canva has a new tool that's called Magic Write, and this tool is powered by AI, and we can use it to write captivating scripts for YouTube videos, so just follow my steps. Keep in mind that this Magic Write tool is available only for Canva Pro users, so you'll have to be subscribed to Canva Pro if you want to use this feature. Let's open the Canva homepage, and then you're going to see 4 buttons above your recent designs. Let's click on this Write My First Draft, which will then redirect us to a new page where we can start generating our script. Before we use the Magic Write tool, I'm going to tap here in order to add a title to my script, because this way it will be more organized and I know what script this is. Let's say I want to make a script about top 10 things to do in New York City. So I'll write that in this text box, and then I'm going to start writing my script. Click on this plus option at the left side, and then you're going to get this little falling menu from which you'll want to select this Magic Write. That will give us this little box where we can enter our text prompt and explain what we want our script to be. Our job is to enter the video title, or simply enter a couple of keywords so that Canva knows what to write about. I'm simply going to type, write me a YouTube video script about top 10 things to do in New York City in 2025. Just make sure to enter a detailed prompt and as much keywords as possible, so your script ends up being engaging, captivating, and professional. Let's tap on Generate and then wait a couple of seconds until Canva generates our script. As you can see, Canva made me a pretty good script, and you can insert it into your document if you're happy with it. But if you want to make some edits or adjustments, click on this but, and then you can tell Canva what you want from this script. I think mine is pretty good, but it's short, so I'm going to tell it to make it around 4,000 characters. Canva will then make adjustments and regenerate our YouTube script, and as you can see, my script is now longer, which is just what I need. I'm going to copy this script and then paste it into my Google Docs just to show you how it looks like. But that's about it, everyone. That is how we can generate YouTube video scripts using Canva. If you need more Canva tutorials like this one, make sure to check out the playlist from the description of this video and subscribe to Tutor for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy.